So in this one, we're going to work with the two-step order process, which is for shipping. Find an element that'll let me work with it, or a row. And we'll come up here and we'll go two-step order form. And that brings us up, and it'll say shipping, where to ship, book. And then you're going to go to step 2 and it'll enter the credit card, show you how to change what that says there. So you can show shipping or hide shipping. You can show an order bump or hide the order bump. You can change the form style a little bit. Not much. They don't have a whole lot built in for this order form. I wish that Clickfunnels actually did something more with this. I'm sure they will in the future. You can add an icon, you know, to it, whatever. So show step 1 settings, so you can change that to from shipping to whatever you want it to be. And then you want to get rid of where to ship book, unless you're selling a book. Where to ship or purchase. And then the information you need there. You can change the button color or whatever. I won't go through all that. And then step 2 is the credit card information, dynamically updated product, the order bump, everything they need to process that order. And that's it for the two-step order form with the shipping.